Hello guys, what's up my good people? Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what we eat for a week. Yeah guys, so if you're new here and if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, like, share, comment. So guys, it is on Monday and we are starting by cooking ugali. Yeah guys, as you all know, my ugali is my favorite food, and today we are making ugali and githeri. I know it sounds funny, but for me it's fine. So we are starting by cooking ugali, then we'll make our githeri later. Guys, please enjoy. Meanwhile, as our ugali is getting ready, let's start cooking our githeri. So here is my onions, and I'm going to let them to be golden brown. Then I put my potatoes. Yeah, after there, then my next ingredients, tomatoes and the other things. Guys, I'm not going to do a lot of talking. Just enjoy my video, enjoy my cooking, and please remember to share, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Share my videos to others and I will appreciate. So guys, enjoy. Okay guys, let me explain here a bit. So when I put salt on my potatoes, I like to leave them for a minute ndo ishike chumvi, then I put my nyanyas and other things. So guys, in my house we don't have fixed menu, as in we can interchange the food and we can eat even the ones that they are not in this week meal. This week menu, we can eat anything as long as we are fine with it. So I don't cook like this every day. I can interchange and I can cook the other meals that they are not in today's video. So guys, yeah, that's me. I cook whatever I feel like eating. I don't have fixed menu. And guys, our today's meal is ready and this is how I serve it, and it's so yummy. By the way, try it, then you can come and tell me how it is. It's so yummy. Yeah guys, it's so yummy. Thank you. Now let's go to the next day. So today I'm cooking chapatis. Yeah guys, it's chapati day. So I've just rolled my dough and it's ready to be cooked. So guys, enjoy. I think I've shown you my recipe, how I cook my chapatis. So today I'm not going to show all of that, and it's ready. They look so yummy, and they were so yummy, by the way, and so soft. You can serve with anything you want. Hello and what's up my beautiful people. So today it is on Wednesday and I'm making mixed rice with beans. Yeah, I'm feeling like cooking that today. So guys, I've already my onions already cooked, and now I've put my tomatoes, and yeah, so everything is ready. Nimeweka mchele, then niweke maji. Huwa napima maji yangu kama glass 8 hivi, then tuongoje hivi. So guys, please enjoy and don't forget to subscribe guys. Please like, share and leave a comment below. Tell me how you see my videos. What do you want me to improve? Yeah guys, so let's wait for it to cook. And here is my beans, mixed rice with beans, and it's so yummy. Guys, as our rice is cooking, let's make some kachumbari. Yeah, kachumbari with rice. Yeah, and now nieke kamafuta kadogo, as you have seen there. I've just put my cooking oil as we wait for our rice to cook. And our dinner is ready. Wow, this meal looks so good. It's so yummy, and you're all welcome. Yeah guys, so let's prepare ourselves to eat. So guys, I always prepare my son's food every day. I like him to eat fresh food, so each and every evening as I make our dinner, I always make his too. So here I'm just cooking is matoke and spinach, and yeah, so guys, enjoy his meal too. his food is ready, so let's mash it for him. And I don't like to blend it for him because I want him to know how to chew himself. And as I mash, I don't always mash everything because that's where he teaches himself how to chew. And it's ready. Let's give him the dinner now. Whew, it's a marathon. It's Thursday already. Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. So today we are making ugali again, cabbage and some eggs on the side. So guys, here I'm cooking my ugali. Yeah, then nikatekate cabbage zangu, then alafu tupike. So guys, enjoy. Guys, our ugali is ready, so let's go and prepare our cabbage as my baby sister cooks eggs and me nikatekate cabbage. Let's go. So guys, we are cooking our cabbage now, and I love my onions when they are golden brown so that they can give my cabbage a color and ikuwe tamu pia. So ikikuwa golden brown, I always put small water, a little bit, then ndio hiyo kitunguu itoe color. Guys, and our dinner is ready. It's so yummy, so yummy, by the way. Cabbage is my favorite, and ugali. Enjoy. Hello my good people, welcome. It's Friday and today we are making white rice and some stew. So guys, we are starting by boiling our meat. Then I've already cooked my rice and kukaanga tu mboga. Yeah guys, our meat is ready. It is already boiled, so let's start. Let's drain the broth ama inaitagwa nini, tutoe hiyo supu, then tuanze kukaanga mboga. So guys, nikiona onions zangu zimekuwa ready, I just put the broth that I removed from the meat when it was boiling. Yeah, then from there I'll add my ingredients. Yeah, like potatoes, carrots, and tomatoes, and all of that. Okay guys, I hope you are enjoying my videos from at this far. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, like, share, and leave a comment below. So guys, this is our meal from Monday to Friday. Yeah, this is what we eat weekdays. I've not included Saturdays and Sunday because I didn't want this video to be too long, and already it's long, so you will excuse me for that. Yeah guys, and as I said, nothing of this meal is specific for each day. We will interchange and we will cook whatever that is not in this week. So we are okay with anything as long as it's eatable. We are fine. Anything for any day. So guys, as I told you, I started with my rice, white rice, and it's ready. I like starting with the rice so that ipoe. Yeah, and this is my rice. It looks so good, moja moja, and it was so yummy. Look at that, moja moja, moja moja. I love that. So guys, kwa wenye wana fridge kama mimi, let me give you a plug guys. You see, when your food is not ready yet, wakati maybe hata ulikuwa hujaanza kupika, unachukua maji yako, unaweka kwa sufuria, then unaweka nje. By the time chakula even na userve, your water is ready. Imekuwa baridi kama umetoa kwa fridge. So here I'm placing mine outside before my food is getting ready. Then after nimeserve, I'll just come and pick my water. Na itakuwa iko baridi kama ya fridge. So when hatuna fridge kama mimi, try it and come and give me the feedback. I've already served my food as I told you, so let's go and pick our water from outside. Yeah, I know right now it's very cold and that's what I like. By the way guys, weka na sufuria na usifunikie ati sijui nini. Don't cover it. So let me put it for my people and I will taste it and tell you how it is. Taste them, I could drink whatever. Wow, 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 wow. Aki, it's so cold. By the way, wenye hatuna fridge, fanyeni hivyo. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.